In this video, I'll show you how you can permanently stop Crunchyroll app notifications. So if you are getting distracted with a lot of alerts from this app, then just follow these steps to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, to disable notifications from Crunchyroll, just go to your app and long press on it, and you should see app info. If you don't see this app info option, you should see the name of the app or a settings gear. Tap on any of this to access Crunchyroll app info page. So for this tutorial, I'm on a Xiaomi Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. At this point, head down to permission section and you should see notifications. As you can see, we have all these notifications turned on. This is the main reason you have been receiving those alerts. To disable them permanently, just go to show notifications and toggle it off. So that's how you can permanently disable Crunchyroll app notifications. If you have any other questions, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.